Good day, everyone. We are the Group 1, and today we are presenting a significant video on the topic of disaster preparedness for earthquake, tsunami, and volcanic eruption.
Natural disasters are unavoidable too. However, we can take some actions to keep ourselves and our loved ones to be safe. Throughout this educational video, we will discuss the actions and the ways that we should keep at the back of our mind and use it when preparing, during, and after this natural disaster. Remain with us while we inform you the best preparation to keep our community safe.
Earthquakes come without warning. So as a student, how will we prepare ourselves for this? First, we should know what to do during and after the earthquake. During the earthquake, we should know the drop, cover, and hold technique. This should be done once the shaking starts. Drop to the ground, find a compact table or chair, and hold on. If there isn't a table or chair, go to a place that is away from dropping things, like glass and ceiling fans. While your arms cover your head until the shaking stops. After the earthquake, check on the people around you and help them if they have injuries. Next, go to a safe location and have your supply kit with you, which carry a flashlight, first aid kit, food and water, medicines, cash. You should know the hotline number of rescues. Here in Tuguegarao, Rescues 1111 hotline number is 0906-622-9224. Don't hesitate to call them in times of emergencies.
Tsunamis are dangerous calamities. Therefore, know these steps to keep us safe. Firstly, know the risk and determine if you're in a tsunami hazard zone and familiarize yourself with the evacuation routes in your community.
Second, create an evacuation plan, identify the evacuation routes, and practice them with your family. Third, have a safe meeting. Establish a destined meeting point to your family in case you are separated to them during tsunami.
Fourth, prepare an emergency kit. Ensure you have emergency bag with enough food, water, medication, and essential supplies. Fifth, stay informed, listen to the warning from authorities and follow the instructions. Sixth, learn the natural signs. Understand the natural signs of tsunami as ground shaking level change or loud noises.
Volcanic eruption. These some ways to prepare in case the volcano would erupt, and this can help us to prepare, especially those near volcanoes. First, before the volcanic eruption, prepare go bag includes essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, a first aid kit, mask and goggles, important documents, cash and portable phone, charger ready. Second, familiarize yourself with the evacuation plans and roads in your area. Keep your car full and ready to go evacuation because necessary.
Check the monitor's local news, radio or official sources for updates on volcanic activity. Fourth, sign up for emergency alert if available during the eruption. Fifth, if local authorities order an evacuation, leave immediately, following the designated routes. 6. Avoid low-lying areas, rivers, valleys, and areas downline from the volcano. 7. Protect yourself from ashfall and stay indoors. If possible, close all windows, doors, and ventilation to prevent ash from entering your house. If you will go outside, wear long sleeve pants, a mask N95 if available, a goggles to protect your lungs and eyes from ash.
8. Stay away from erupting volcanoes. Avoid areas near the volcano, especially the summit, and any areas where lava flows, pyroclastic flows, or volcanic gases that might reach after the eruption. Stay indoors until they tell. It is safe to go outside. Ash and other hazards might